Before starting this video, in case if you're not subscribed my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now you can also follow and contact me via Instagram and Facebook. The link will be given in the description. Here's a project on home automation where you can voice control the electronic devices such as TV, light, fan with the help of Google Assistant. Turn on light.
Sure, Aishwarya, I am doing it right now.
Turn off light.
Sure, I will turn off the light, Aishwarya.
We'll turn on the Google Assistant for the fan. Turn on the fan.
Sure, Aishwarya, ma'am, I will do it right now.
Turn off the fan.
Yes, Aishwarya, I'll turn the fan off.
The components which we need are nodemcu, 4-channel relay, jumper wires and hookup wires. So we will connect the nodemcu with 4-channel relay. So we'll keep it aside. Here now first we will give a VCC connection. We'll connect the 4-channel relay VCC to VIN of nodemcu. Now we will connect the ground pin of 4-channel relay to the ground of nodemcu. Now we will connect the iron 1 pin of 4-channel relay to the D2 of nodemcu. So after this we will connect the iron 2 pin to the D1 of nodemcu. So after this we are going to connect the COM ports of relay 1 and relay 2 to the light and fan ports. So basically there are 4-channel relays, so we are going to connect for fan and light only for 2 channels. So we will consider the channel 1 and connect the COM port to the one of the wire of bulb, and the other one is directly to connect to the switch. So here we have 2 wires which we are going to connect it and give a supply. So here I am going to connect it with a bulb just to show a demo, and after this we'll upload the code. So the code link will be given in the description, as well as circuit diagram will be given in the description. So please check and then you can do it by yourself. So after this we will just go to adafruit.io and then sign up with the username and all the credentials. So after this we will open our dashboard. By using a create option, we will create a new dashboard and name it. So once you create, now we need to create a new block and assign toggle. So the first name would be relay 1 and then the other name would be relay 2, and then we will create this. So for this we will select relay 1 and then give it as a name relay 1 and then button 1 and 0, so it can on and off. So we will create the block now. So after it is done, same do for the relay 2 as well. So we will create the other blocks. Here you can see there are 2 relays now. So after this, Google search for IFTTT and then sign up for the account. Here you need to choose a service as a Google Assistant, and as soon as you connect it, it will say a simple phrase where you're going to fill in the phrase whatever you want. So once you are done with this, we need to go to relay 2, and here you need to choose a service as Adafruit, and then we will connect it. So as soon as you connect it, we will authorize the account. So after this you can just get connected. So here you need to connect the field name as relay 1 and then we will finish it and connect it. So once you connect it, now this time we are doing it to turn off the light. As we fill the phase to turn on the light, these are the phases to turn off the light. So afterwards we will click on then that and add the phase. So here we will choose a service as Adafruit, and then we will name the relay 1, and then we will save the data as 0. So this is for app off basically. So we're choosing it as 0. So after this we'll just finish it off. You can do the same things for the other connection also. So we are just done with this. Turn on light.
Sure. Aishwarya, I am doing it right now.
Turn off light.
Sure, I will turn off the light, Aishwarya.
If you liked this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and we'll be back with new videos.